Hello everyone, welcome here on my YouTube channel, and I am back from another vacation just to bond with my family. And of course, I did not forget about you guys. So with the full support of my family, they brought me to the largest Ikea in the world, which is located in the Philippines, where I was born and raised. Open on November 2021, the store is about 700 square feet that can be compared to the Palace of Versailles in France, stretches across 5 floors in a mall complex nestled against Manila Bay. Since Ikea is within a large mall, a free locker is provided for their customer to store their heavy and big shopping bags. The first model room that I saw is this 26 square meter studio apartment, and they're just showing you how you can decorate and arrange this for a comfortable living by using the right size furniture. To make a separation and serve as a privacy between the bed and the living area, they use this Galax shelf unit system as a wall divider. This model unit is a big area that has a living, office, bedroom, bathroom, and a walk-in closet. There's nothing wrong in choosing bright colors on the wall, but I would suggest to consider your living situation, especially if you're living in a warm climate, don't have any air condition, because this type of colors can absorb heat. And I would recommend just to choose the light colors such as white, light grays, pastel colors, or even beige and off-white. I'm not a fan of a lot of things hanging on the wall because it feels like it's gonna cave in, and depending on the lifestyle, over time it's gonna look cluttered. But I do understand, especially if you have a small space, that you need all the walls to hang and store your personal item. And I guess if this were my space, a closed storage system would be the best option. It's been a trend now that some of the people choose to live in a condominium setting. That is why on some of my videos with a pretend balcony, we'll have that city backdraft. And I noticed that most of the model room design for IKEA Philippines caters for those who are single, young families, college students, and couples that are just starting. In spite of light material used for IKEA furniture, what I like about it is that a single item can be used in multiple or different ways, and all you need is some imagination and creativity. Compare here in the US, back home we have this so-called dirty kitchen. It's a fully equipped secondary kitchen for food prep, cooking, and cleaning up. By having this, it prevents the smoke, gas, or fuel smells from entering the living quarters. It also keeps the main kitchen clean and presentable to use for family time and entertaining, just like the video that I'm showing you right now. I think this is the very first time I spent almost 8 hours in just one store, and that's how big IKEA Philippines is. And I was overwhelmed in a good way because they have more model rooms that you can imagine. But unfortunately, I won't be able to show it to you guys because there were so many people when I went there, which is common for Filipinos to hang out in the mall, especially when I film this during the weekends. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you get to be notified whenever I post some videos here on my YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!